Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a bird. It's a common bird, generally friendly to humans, and often seen in urban areas. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as sparrow, sparrow, spare, row, sparrow. Sparrows are known for their cheerful singing, their ability to thrive in diverse environments, and their role in controlling insect populations and dispersing seeds. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about sparrows, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.